Hey guys, I figured it out. I'm going to show you guys how to get Buckshot Roulette on your phone. So it's really easy. There's a website called hexmods.com. And when you go to this website, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Buckshot Roulette. And as you can see, there's the game. So just press on it and it will start the download. So before it downloads, you do have to do a verification. So what this entails is you have to download some apps and you have to complete the instructions. And these are free and they're from the App Store. So I'm going to show you guys how this works. So as you can see, it says complete 2 free apps to finish installing the Buckshot Roulette mod, as they call it. So we're going to download 2 of these apps, and they're all different. Down install complete level 10, down install, run for 30 seconds, whatever. So just download the apps and you're going to be good to go. So I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe. It's super cool. You can see it does bring you to the App Store, and you just have to download the app. And each one's different, so you might see different instructions and stuff, but that's how you get the Buckshot Roulette mobile version. So as you can see, it says complete 2 apps from our list below. So you only have to do 2 apps. And down here it says check completion, so when you're done it should know. And yeah, so it's pretty easy to download this onto your device. And I personally think that more people should try it out. It's super awesome, and I'll see you guys later. So yeah, subscribe to the channel if you guys like the Buckshot Roulette game, because this is super cool, guys, and it fully works. So if this video worth you guys, be sure to go and share. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super wild, and it should work on iPhone and Android. So I'll see you guys later. Be a subscribe. This is super awesome, and I was able to fully download it and play it right away, guys.